Okay, I have a lot of explaining to do. Where the fuck have I been for the last 6 months? Well, let me tell you. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy TSP back with TSP Tech. I have a lot of explaining to do. Where have I been for the past 6 months? Why haven't I been uploading? I know I said 2020 was my year, but why didn't I upload a single video? I actually uploaded only like 3 videos this year, but don't worry, I'm back. Better than ever, ready to start making more videos. As you can see, we're in a new space right now. It's a little bit echoey, trying to get that fixed soon, don't worry. But we got a lot of big things planned ahead of us. 2020 is not over yet. It still could be my year, but I'm gonna grind it out, and I'm so sorry for the lack of uploads. Let me tell you what happened. First of all, this video is getting deleted in 48 hours. So if you're seeing this video, thank you so much for being one of my supporters. I really appreciate each and every single one of you. We hit 2,000 subscribers. I know I didn't say anything, but it was honestly mind-blowing, and it's crazy how far we've come, and I can't wait to see what the future holds, to be honest with you. So excited for that. Thank you for 2,000 subscribers. And if you're watching this again, thank you for being one of my supporters. I appreciate you. First up, pretty obvious what's been going on in the world. COVID been affecting everyone, and this whole pandemic has been, keeping me inside. I haven't been having the motivation to make new videos, and to be honest, that's pretty much the biggest factor. That and number 2, which is motivation. Because of COVID, everything's shutting down, stuck inside, quarantine. I thought it'd be a great opportunity, to start making videos, but no, it just made me lazy, because I don't know, I just don't feel like getting up and making videos, and it's been like that for the past 6 months, and just recently I started getting that passion back for making videos. Maybe because I was burnt out, who knows, but I'm back, better than ever, ready to start making more content for you guys, and sorry for the past 6 months. I'm really sorry, but trust me, new videos coming soon. And the third thing, the most important factor, what's been keeping me busy this whole quarantine, has been my freelance photography. I've started to experiment with freelance photography, and I'm a freelance videographer as well. I go to most of these car meets here in the GTA, and I take photos, make connections, and then eventually they pay for shoots. So slowly I've been getting paid for what I love to do, which is photography, which I recently just got into over quarantine actually. So I was bored in quarantine, so I decided, let me try photography, and it's turned into a money-making business for me, which just proves to you that you never know what you're good at until you try it. And I'm not saying I'm the best photographer out there. I'm not saying I'm a good photographer at all. I'm just saying I'm a decent photographer. But I'm so happy that this one hobby that I started out during quarantine has started making me money. Because of this whole freelance photography thing, I've just been on my grind, and I've never felt happier. I've also done a couple music video shoots. I'm doing 3 of them currently right now at the moment. There's one up on my TSP Visuals account, which in fact, if you're not following my TSP Visuals account, what are you doing? Go follow the YouTube account and the Instagram. Instagram is where I post most of my photos. YouTube is where I post most of my videos. Trust me, you're gonna love him. Click the links down below, go watch them, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. So yeah, I don't want to babble on too long and take too much of your time. I just want to explain to you where I've been for those curious. And for those who are wondering, yes, I'm back. Don't worry, this is not the end of TSP. I'm going to be making more content coming very soon. In fact, new video dropping next week. Yeah, you heard me, next week. Not next month, next week. So stay tuned for that. With that being said, guys, that is the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, drop a thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you're new. And for those that have been supporting me from the beginning, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. You have no idea. My name is TSP from TSP Tech. Thank you for watching. Peace.